Everyone is talking about how fast time is flying, right? But nobody is talking about what that actually means for you. They say 2026 will change you. But let me explain what that really means. A calendar date doesn't have magic powers. January 1st doesn't save you. The truth is, the version of you that dominates in 2026 is being built in the shadows right now. The world isn't waiting for you to be ready. So make a promise to yourself today. Don't wait for the new year. Let 2026 be the year you introduce the world to the person you built when no one was watching. I'll be honest with you. A year ago, I was stuck. I was addicted to the dopamine, scrolling, waiting for the right time, watching other people live the life I wanted. I realized something painful. I was my own biggest enemy. Your time starts now. I had to make the hard choice to cut off the noise. I lost friends who didn't understand the vision. I spent Friday nights working when everyone else was partying. It was lonely. It hurt. But that boring phase, that was the foundation. 2026 will change you because by the time it arrives, you won't be the same person anymore. You are going to use these next few months to disappear and do the shadow work. You are going to fail, you are going to get tired, and you are going to keep moving anyway.